Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I am super excited to show you this. I'm like a child. Seriously, I've been waiting so long for these to arrive. And ready for this? Easter eggs, mystery boxes, Easter egg yarn, guys. It is so fantastic. I absolutely love them. I really do. So, yeah, these are obviously reusable. So just think of what you could do with these. Like once you've got one, next year you can fill it with stuff for kids and all sorts. But aren't they amazing? They're just, and you could just keep it for yourself because they're so fun. Anyway, I've got 3 types at the moment. 3. There possibly will be more, because I think I have blue ones definitely coming and green. I'm not sure. At the moment I have 3 varieties. I have an acrylic stroke man-made fibre. So along with man-made fibre you've got polyamide, you've got polyester, so it'll be an acrylic-y man-made fibre. Then there's ones just called mixed fibres. So in that you might get things like, this is merino and this is cotton. So you might get all kinds of stuff in the mixed. You could always message me and say, I'm allergic to wool, or I'm allergic to whatever. And I could leave it out if you wanted the opportunity to get one that has cotton in it. Or then there's just good old acrylic. So this one, now, sorry, whatever's in these for illustration purposes is just purely for illustration purposes. It's not what you're going to get. It's not what's in. It's not like they're all the same either. And in each one of these, you will get the yarn, but you will also get some accessories, because I've got lots of little areas to poke things in. So, regardless, this one stuffs out quite nice with yarn, but you can still see there are spaces there for little bits of accessory. I'm in love with them. I really am. I can't tell you how much. I'm so excited, and you'd think it's because I'm going to get one of these, but I won't be getting one, will I? I'll just be doing them. But I'm so excited to do them. They are fun. They're beyond measure. But that's not all. As well as these fabulous, gorgeous Easter eggs. Remember a little while ago, sorry, I'm still a little bit under the weather. It's gone, but it's just this, what I'm left with. Remember I did the Mother's Day bags? Well, I've also got Halloween bags, but I've managed to get Easter bags. So these are cheaper, obviously, than the eggs. They hold a bit less, and well, they're not as much to buy for me as the plastic egg would be. So we have bags. We've got a pink one. Now I can't remember what I decided. Got a yellow one. This one I stuffed out a bit much, so it's kind of, but it shows you that you can stuff it. They are like little carrier bags. So then there's a yellow one. Goodness. A gorgeous blue one. You know I love blue, but look, it's blue. Blue. And a rather stunning green one. Now, the way I did, a little look at the green one. Oh, there we go. The way I did the Mother's Day ones was I colour coordinated them, and I made, I think one was acrylic, so man-made fibre, one was mixed fibre, one was yarn cakes, and one was hand-dyed yarn. I'm doing the same thing with these, but I do not have a great deal of quantity. I've only got 2 of each. So if it turned out that acrylic was the most popular and I ran out of acrylic and I still had stock of the others, then I would probably take away, and then you'd get maybe a blue one instead. So I would just keep going, but the colours are there until they're run out, and then I would just have to use what I've got. But if it's the only way I can really do it. But these are colour coordinated, and I've got more My light moved. I actually touched it with my foot. Frightened me, that did. Something coming at me. So this clear one, this is my favourite one. And I had 8 of these. More may be coming. Can't remember. I think so. I have 4 yellow and 4 pink. I have 4 of each of those. But as I say, I think I've got blue coming and green. I want this one. I do. Do you know, I saw something earlier, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm really, I don't know how true this is, but it freaked me out a bit, it did. Look at this. UK hit by nationwide yarn shortage. What? They're calling it because of an unprecedented uptake of knitting and crochet as a craft. Thank goodness for hobbyrocks.co.uk, don't you think? But yeah, and I think that they're saying, especially earth tones, which, you know, I don't find that they go particularly strongly in my shop, so I'm not sure if it's true, but it does say, it quoted some body or other, where is it? A spokesperson for the British Yarn Authority, the BYA, stated, "We simply weren't prepared for this level of knitting enthusiasm. People are panic purling." Not buying. Panic purling. They're also panic trebling, obviously. Because they did say, due to an unexpected surge in knitting, crochet and DIY sweater making in the UK, facing a severe yarn shortage. All major colours, especially greys and neutrals. Well, I never, you know, have to say, I'm always saying, whenever I go to the shops, they never seem to have any yarn. I'm always saying that, aren't I? You know, even places like Poundland got nothing on the shelves. Yeah. Very strange, guys. Very strange. However, no such shortage at hobbyrocks.co.uk. Fabulous. I'm so excited about these. I really am. Should we look at them again? Now, the yarn that's in them, as I said, is not an accurate depiction, because I've got a feeling that there is not just acrylic, and this is the acrylic colour. And I've, first of all, just shoved a lot of ice yarn in this one because it was what was handy, you know, and I wanted to stuff it out quick and see what they look like because I was such a child. So that's full of that. And this one, I just decided to see how much of the cotton and the merino and stuff I could stuff in. So, of course, you might find hand-dyed yarns in it. You might find all sorts and all manner of accessories in them as well. So, I'm just so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store, I really am. I get a little bee in my bonnet, you know. I just wanted them to arrive sooner, but I have uploaded them already onto the website, and Chris is busy making the pop-up, because at the moment the pop-up does say Mother's Day, and I know in the UK Mother's Day is over, but it's not hit around the world anywhere else yet. So the pop-up will incorporate all 3 of them. So happy, you know. I don't know, I love just doing this. It's so cool. It's great. I really love putting little things together and a range of things, you know. It's yeah, it's fun, and I love doing it for you guys as well. You know, if I was a consumer of mine, you know, if I was a customer of myself, you know, then I'd be like, I want one of those, you know. But it's kind of really strange being on the other side, like, promoting these things that, you know, you've got to let go of. Very odd, very odd. Anyway, those are my little Easter goodies. Hope you like them. And, well, yeah, they're already there. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And avoid all those nasty viruses that have been catching up with me lately. And, you know, just have a good day. Bye for now.